Hello and welcome to a new minigame with me, Gaming Rocks, and our special guest, Freezing Echo 34. And in this minigame, we're going to shoot all these zombies. This is round one. Let's see if I can get them all. I got that guy. Ooh, I got that guy. Yes, that's good. We got one down already. Come on, we can win this, guys. We're doing really good. Come on, come on. Okay, last guy, come on. Yeah, I got that guy. Woo, we won. Round one, we did it. Now let's do round two. Let's see if we can win this. The final round. It's the final countdown. You know that song? We should play this. No, I'm not doing that. Come on. Oh, no. I think one got in. Let me just check after I kill these few people are getting way too close. I'm going to crouch and go in there. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, no, I can get that guy. Oh, it looks like our special guest that I will not release his name in this video. He fell down. But thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe as always and comment and like the video. Thanks for watching.